I spent 50% trading, 25% backtesting, and 25% reflecting. And this is in about 8 hours a month. Hey, if you're new here, I am Lisa, a full-time algorithmic trader with a live public record on Darwin-X Gold that anyone can check at any time. So in 1 month, I spent about 8 hours trading because I am an algorithmic trader where I use robots to do the work for me, and I don't sit there for hours and hours a day staring at a chart. So let's break down my time. First of all, trading. So this currently takes me 4 hours a week. Friday morning. On Friday morning, my PC will automatically download the latest historical data for me and kick off Express Generator to generate robots for the 28 different currency pairs. So my effort on Friday is 0. Saturday morning. It is 24 hours later and my scripts have finished running. I am in the folder C Express Generator Collections where all my files are stored, and you can see 28 currency pairs were fed into the process, but not everything passed. So you can see up here, I'm after the files with _STR_1. So the Aussie CAD was fed in, and yes, one strategy passed. But for example, the Aussie Swiss franc, and there is no equivalent _STR1 file, which means my strict criteria are not all currencies pass. So I'm just going to grab the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 files that passed and migrate it to my normal PC. Okay, now I am on my normal PC. On the left, you can see I've got the Express Generator files that were created. And on the right, I've got EA Studio. And I'm over at the Data Collection tab on purpose because I want to modify the timeframes. Because if you look on the left here, you've got the format year, month, day. So I know that this file was generated using 10 years of data, which ended on the 1st of November 2024. So I want to match that on the right here. So I want to go 11, 1, 11, 1. So it's the same. I'm using premium data for the past 10 years. And now I head over to the collection tab. I'm going to grab the first file, the Aussie CAD, and drag it over to the right-hand side. And to download the MT4 Expert Advisors, I simply click on this button here and save it to my downloads folder. Same with the MT5 version, and hit save. And this is what the output looks like: one MQL4 source file and one MQL5 source file, both with the same number at the end. And I do one more thing. So if I click on this strategy right here, it will load up with the latest data for the past 10 years, 2014 to 2024. And you can see there was a bit of stagnation in the middle, but recently it has performed really well. Because I also share these expert advisors with my members, I'm going to take a screen print of this one so they know exactly what the equity chart looks like, what the entries are, and the exits are. And I'm going to repeat that for each and every single currency. So the Aussie CAD is done. Now we're moving over to the Euro Japanese Yen. We are all done. I've got the MQL4 files, the MQL5 files, and the images of their performance over the past 10 years. So first what I'm going to do is zip this up and send it over to my members. I've already drafted what the post will look like. So I'm going to drag first the zip file with all my MT4 and MT5 expert advisors. And then I'm going to drag all the pictures of their performance over the past 10 years. Wait for that to load and hit publish. The next step is to add it to MT4, and I have an old demo account that I have already that I am going to use. So first I go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Experts, and I'm going to create a brand new folder for these group of expert advisors, 2024-1101. And paste the brand new expert advisors into this folder. To get the MT4 to register the new expert advisors, I simply right click and hit refresh. With MT5, you will want to restart your MT5 terminal. So I've got everything here already, and I'm just going to find the first expert advisor, which is the Aussie CAD. So I find the Aussie CAD in this list here. brand new chart. And I do want it on the 1 hour time frame as listed here. So drag that onto this account here. For inputs, my system for using magic number is year, month, day. So I know that this belongs to the portfolio created on the 1st of November 2024. And I'm going to leave the entry loss at 0.01 for this demo account. That is the Aussie CAD already set up and ready to go. I'm going to repeat the same process for all the other expert advisors down here. And everything is complete. Hide the rest of the symbols that we are not trading to minimize the memory resources used up by this MT4 terminal. And this account is ready to be traded when the market starts on Monday. So that process takes about 1 hour a week, so 4 hours a month, which is about 50% of the 8 hours that I spend trading. I actually have many accounts. I trade on DarwinX, on my live accounts, and on trading.com, who are the sponsor of today's video, but more on them later. What you saw before was me setting up my expert advisors on my demo account, and I have 4 of them, but to make my life easier, I use Traders Connect, which is a web-based tool that will copy my trades from my demo accounts over to all my other accounts. And I found it to be pretty reliable, so it takes almost 0 effort from me once I've got it set up. Simulating live trading. About once a month, I will spend time setting up a new test using Express Generator because my trading style, I make decisions based on data. So my testing process and my data process involves simulated trading with a specific set of criteria over the past 2.5 years. And once I've established my first test, then that is what I call my baseline. And I use my baseline to help me understand the likelihood of profits and the likelihood of drawdowns over a 2.5 year period. So when I make tweaks to my criteria, if the results are an improvement over my previous set of tests, then I will apply the new criteria to my live trading. Otherwise, nothing has changed and I continue using my scripts as is. So it takes me about 2 hours a month to set up a new test. The actual test itself takes just over a month to simulate. So the whole time I have 2 PCs running and working for me. But my effort in the whole process is about 2 hours a month, which is 25% of the 8 hours that I spend trading. Before we go on, let me tell you about trading.com, who are the sponsors of today's video. So they are not a prop firm, but a way to get hedge fund capital. And you can trade on MT4 or MT5 on either fxtrading.com or my FX Markets broker. And unlike other prop firms with all their rules, trading.com only have 2. Don't hit the 10% max loss, and to scale to the next level is a 20% profit target. And there's no silly rules like trailing drawdown. You can trade any strategy, manual trading, robot trading, hold over news, and over the weekends. There's 3 different options: the 1,000 option, the 2,500 option, and the 5,000 option, which all have 5 different stages. So once you hit 20% profit target, you stop trading. They will check at the end of the month if you qualify to move to the next stage and where you get your profit split. That varies between 80% and 50%. So here on the screen, I'm showing the $1,000 option where the final payout is $20,000 at the end of stage 5 profit split. And afterwards, you are eligible for hedge fund capital. Analysis. Every month, I will go back and perform analysis on my own results and adapt my trading to what I learn. So today, I'm going to show you a little bit of my analysis. What you see here is a portfolio that I am running linked to FX Blue, and I filtered it on purpose since the start of the 8th of September 2024 because that's when I updated my scripts most recently, and my personal magic number system is year, month, day. So I know this is generated on the 8th of September 2024, and right now as of recording I am in the 13th of November 2024, and I did send out a most recent portfolio a few days ago. So each line you see here is one portfolio, and I send out a portfolio every single week. That's why you'll see each of these numbers is about 1 week apart. And if we take a look at the analysis that I said we're going to do, so overall the portfolios are positive. since the 8th of September 2024, we do have two portfolios that are negative. So the first thing that we can learn is don't just trade with one portfolio, but trade with a bunch of them to diversify your overall returns. And in this portfolio, I am trading everything at 0.01 lot size because you can always scale up, you can always increase your lot sizes. But I am showing here for people who have smaller account sizes, the minimum amount that they might need to trade. And overall, in profit terms, you would have made 485 in overall net profit if you had been trading all these portfolios for the past few weeks. Next, let's take a look at my win rate. So I've got 113 trades since September. So this is about 2 months worth of trading and 100 trades that are losers. So overall, my win rate is 53.1. And if you take a look at the average win, it's about $8.04, whereas the average loss is about $4.23. Next, I went and extracted all those trades from FX Blue and I put them into a specialized charting software that I have called Tableau, but you can achieve exactly the same results with Excel. And I have filtered everything since the 8th of September 2024, which is the rows. Again, the rows represent the portfolios and the columns represent the week of the trading. And if we look at the totals down below, you can see every single week so far, including this week, has been profitable. There was one losing week back on the 27th of October 2024, so we don't always have winners. What is interesting though is the different results you can see across each portfolio. So let's take a look at this week right here, the 6th of October 2024. So you can see two portfolios were in a winner, the $41 and $14. However, there were three portfolios that were losers. So all these were losers. So overall in profit, we saw an overall profit of $21 despite having three portfolios being losers for that week. From this analysis, you can see that the lesson here is to have multiple portfolios. Now, I create a brand new portfolio every single week, and sometimes they will have 5 strategies, sometimes they'll have 12 strategies, but each and every single week we have different strategies and different currencies. So when you balance them out and add all the portfolios together, you will see a much more balanced equity curve. And I did notice that a few weeks ago. So notice the first portfolio, I only ran it for 4 weeks, and the second portfolio, again, only for 4 weeks. But then I decided, hey, I'm going to run each portfolio for 8 weeks, which is exactly the same as my simulated live trading. So now I have adapted my system to, instead of you trading a portfolio for 4 weeks, trading a total of 4 portfolios, now I am trading it for 8 weeks, trading a total of 8 portfolios over any one time. This last analysis part is super important in the overall scheme of things because that's how I grow and that's how I evolve and adapt as a trader. Now, I don't want to paint the picture that robot trading is easy, even though it only takes me 8 hours a month. It is definitely not. Where I am in my own trading journey is after years and years of hard work refining my craft and developing my own system, which took me a year and hundreds of hours of hard work. This is just one path you can take in algorithmic trading. If you want to learn about the other paths you can take as an algorithmic trader, then I do recommend watching this video right here. This will save you years and years of experimenting, and I honestly wish someone had told me this at the start of my journey. Thank you. Bye.